Have you ever thought about doing a fun, creative, collaborative project? This one is for you. Okay, we're out here at sunset tonight with Cynthia and her Prosecco truck and her 5-month-old Yorkie puppy, Macy. Hi, Maisie! We've already gotten some pictures in front of the barn. Hi.
What's she doing? Oh, you get hot and being shy. What's she doing?
Aww. All right, turn towards me. Puppy! Oh, relax that hand that's around her front. There you go. There you go, Cynthia. That's great. Puppy! Maisie! Oh, are you adorable? Good job. Oh, you do. Oh my God.
Okay.
He's adorable. Oh my God. Baby. Honey. There, she's in the light. And now we've moved over here in front of the sunflowers and we're setting it all up as if she was at an event with all of the cups and decorations and flowers. It's gonna be so awesome. Right. Oh, hi, puppy. You're so adorable. Isn't this truck the cutest? Fizz and flutes. Isn't that great? Okay, so we got the setting sun over there, and we got the truck, and then over here I've got my light and my models. Hello. And so I just have the truck kind of back side lit, and that light is going to fill in. Macy's a little bit dark, and we've got a dark outfit on, and I love the light, but I have it behind us, so we're trying to fill it in with that flash. And okay, calm down a second. Look at the backlight on her hair. Wow. You look lovely. Oh my gosh. And we got the model here going. Hey. There we are. There we are. Hi, Maeve. Yeah. Hi. Okay, Mace. Hello, dear. Hello, dear. Hello. 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 Do puppies come with the Prosecco? Yes, we do. Yeah, we do. Hello, puppy. Stand just on this side instead. I want to get just the flute behind her. I think. We'll see. Let's try it. There we are. And Mama's so close. Come here. Well, hi, Cynthia.
Hi.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, I had a ball. Thank
oh
you
my gosh,
much.
amazing! Did you have fun? Oh,
I think so.
Oh my gosh! Well, everyone's seen all the footage of us having so much fun, but nobody knows what this is.
My mobile Prosecco truck. My mobile truck of lovely bubbles.
A bubble truck?
Yeah, a bubble truck. Prosecco. Cheers.
Oh my gosh! So what does that mean?
I am equipped to bring a lovely bubble party to you. So I have on the back side of this is a keg.
Oh.
This kegerator.
Uh-huh.
So I can provide anything that has kegs. Prosecco now comes in a keg. I can provide beer to you. Kombucha or cold brew nitro coffee even.
Coffee too?
Cold brew nitro coffee comes in a keg. Yeah. So anything that comes in a keg, I can serve to you.
This is adorable.
Yeah.
This is so adorable. It looks like it fits anywhere.
Basically, it's the same size as a golf cart. So anywhere that a golf cart can go, I can go.
So cute. So cute.
Thank you.
And then she probably doesn't go with you on location.
No.
No, she's a baby.
Yeah.
But we had to do a photo shoot with the puppies and Prosecco. Cheers.
Cheers! You like it?
Yummy.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, yummy.
Oh, here's, you gotta put some Pop Rocks on it.
Pop Rocks?
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember Pop Rocks?
Yes, I do remember.
When was the last time you had Pop Rocks?
30 years.
I know, right? I have to order them off of Amazon. So you want to
What's gonna happen? Oh my gosh. Okay, what's gonna happen? Let's see, Sam.
Can you hear him? Can you hear it on the microphone? And the drink, but let's see if this one reacts. Will really explode. So you can hear the popping.
Oh my gosh.
Can you hear that?
Yes.
Sometimes it really explodes. If the Prosecco is colder, it really creates its own second fizz.
Oh my gosh.
I call it a party in a glass.
Oh my gosh, that's fun.
Yeah. And I have all these syrups, and I even put cotton candy in my Prosecco.
Yay! Oh, this is so cute. This would be so fantastic at a wedding or anything.
Yeah, it is. It's fun.
Gosh. Thank
you.
Gosh.
This has been a lot of
Prosecco
fun.
hug. Oh, Prosecco hug. Ah! Yay! Thank you.
Thank you. It's been a lot of fun.
Yay! All right. Well, the sun has gone behind the clouds. Essentially, it's sunset now. We've lost the super fun light, but I did use my lamp, or my flash. You know what I'm talking about. We have Prosecco. We had such a great photo shoot. I hope this is giving you ideas for different creative photo sessions that you can have. Normally this puppy doesn't go along with this truck, but you never know. I just asked Cynthia in a meeting one day, do you have a puppy? Can I photograph you together? So you never know what creative projects that will come to life. Doing a collaboration with someone. And obviously I'll show you some of these pictures on the screen. It was just so much fun. You saw some footage of us enjoying our Prosecco with Pop Rocks. They're side Betties, people. That's what I'm trying to tell you. But it was super fun. We only spent maybe 2 hours out here at sunset. Just drove down this road just a couple blocks from our house. That's all it takes for some of these creative projects. So I challenge you to go find a super cool creative project. Just dream it up and go try it. There's nothing to lose. Cheers. So thirsty.
She wants to drink it right out of the...
Aww, like a water fountain.